game S10, top and bottom corners, from the RightStart Math card game book. It looks like that. All right, this game is very useful in practicing addition and subtraction facts. It's a spin-off from the basic corners game. Now, RightStart Math did do some videos on how to play some of these games, and corners is included. It is one of our family's favorite games. I will put a link below on how to get to that game instruction if you're interested or need some help learning how to play that specific game. This is a spin-off from that, and I'm just going to kind of show really quick how they're different. Don't forget to subscribe and like below, and please comment too if there's any specific games that you would like help on learning how to play. At the bottom of each lesson of RightStart 2nd edition is a suggested game. Here is the game in the math card game book. This game is going to be long and narrow the way it's played, and the sums formed by joining the top and the bottom are added to your score, while the sums formed by joining the sides are subtracted. Filling in a corner will give rise to both a positive and negative score, the final result depending upon those relative values. So let me show you and how we actually play the game what this means. Here I've got a game set up for 2 people. On the side I have our stock pile, which we will draw from after each person plays a card. I just simply put a card in the center in order to start the game, but the corners rules do state that the person with the highest green number starts the game. Now we are going to be looking for a green or a black number so that we can add to our score. These numbers that we're going to match up need to be a sum of a multiple of 5. In the regular corners game, you can match like 4 and 4 and get a 0 score, but that's not allowed in this game. If you match a red or a blue number, those scores will be subtracted from your score. Now you must play a card in this game if you can, which sometimes results in a negative number. Here the second person can add a 1, meaning a 9 and a 1 equals 10, which is a valid play. Remember, half of the cards will be upside down to you, and that is how the game is played. The 9s have a line at the bottom, and the 6s do not. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and this is pretty much showing pretty quickly how this game can get very vertical. So it would be the next person's turn, and you're going to play off the last card played. So we're going to add a score of 15, because 10 and 5 is still a multiple of 5. And then after each time you take a card. Now I'm going to skip ahead and show you how you would play off and create a negative value. So here we have 4 cards in a row, and the only card that I can play would be this 3. Now because it is side to side, my score of 10, which is a multiple of 5, would be subtracted from my score. I would draw another card and play would continue. Here I have a card that can play in this corner. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 8 plus 7 is 15. And my score would ultimately be a negative 10 added to my score. All right, I hope that really helped you guys out today. Thumbs up if it worked for you. Please comment below on what games you'd like to see me play to help you out. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and make a great day. Bye-bye.